The Pixel Buds Pro have a single 11mm dynamic driver. They support Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity with SBC and AAC codecs. The Pixel Buds Pro have a fairly typical V-shaped sound that seems like a close match for the Harman in-ear target. Starting with the low end, the Pixel Buds Pro have a strong emphasis in the sub-bass and mid-bass region. Bass notes have a deep, palpable rumble and thump to them. There does seem to be some care taken to ensure the bass does not spill into the lower mids and the bass itself never gets overbearing and booming. As far as bass boosts go, this is fairly tasteful in its execution. On the other end of the frequency spectrum, the treble performance is a bit of a mixed bag. On the one hand, the Pixel Buds Pro are quite bright in the upper mids, lower treble range, which can make vocals, especially female ones, shrill and shouty at times. Beyond that, the sound does roll off quite a bit, which results in the high treble notes sounding muted, which blunts some of the S and T sounds. While the region is usually not dominated by a lot of sounds, a muted top end sucks the life out of the lower treble sounds and makes them a bit muddy. Mid-range performance is most quietly good. Instruments and male vocals have a decent timbre and tonal balance. The mids do, however, take a bit of a back seat to the bass and treble regions, which are much more aggressive in their delivery. And since we mostly tend to adjust our volume for some prominent sounds, which in this case would be the bass or upper mid-range, the rest of the mid-range tends to sound quieter and pushed a bit back into the mix. Detail and resolution are somewhat lacking, either due to the choice of codecs, the audio processing or the drivers, and the honky upper mid-range creates an illusion of more details, but it merely enhances the existing detail, and the lack of a good high-end response makes the sound a bit dull in places. It also affects imaging and sound staging, neither of which are remarkable in any way.